gonna do is this kind of wintry look, so let's get started. All right, so what I'm gonna start with is I'm gonna take some tape, just take a little bit off. And I'm gonna line it up with however angled you want the look to be. Make sure both sides are evenly angled. I usually try and go from the bottom of my eyelid to the end of my eyebrows. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this white, the fluffy brush like that, and put it everywhere. All over your eyelid, all the way up to your eyebrow. Lease water, and we're going to open it up and use the cream white that's on the inside. Just take a fluffy brush, dab it on, put it on there pretty evenly or else you're not gonna put it evenly on your eye, and put it just on your eyelid. A little bit, which helps make it distribute more evenly. It's a bit harder because it's a cream-based powder. Then we're going to flip it over and use the sparkles. Just going to take your brush, same one you were using, get it all sparkly. And tap it onto where you put that white. And I just wanna sink into your crazy laughter. Come on, make me feel until the pain don't matter. Every second here makes my heart beat faster. Finally think I found. Alright, now you're gonna take Gosh, and it's kind of like a blue pigment powder. Take your fluffy brush, same one you're using, and just get some on there. Tap the extra off, and you're just gonna go just on the outside corner. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, Gosh again with the white pigment. Use the same loose powder if you want. It's not a big deal, but just get a bit on there. And go over the blue just to make sure it's got a little bit of that white sparkle in it too. What we're going to do is we're going to take off the tape. You should have a very distinct line. Like that. Alright, so just take a black eyeliner. So now we're going to take this liquid eyeliner and you're going to go through your lashes and then follow that line that you've made. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to clean it up with a Q-tip anyways. Okay, they're just kind of roughly done right now. Alright, now you're going to take a Q-tip, put a little bit of soap or like a glove of face wash on there, rub it in like that, run it under some water, and then clean up your lines here. You're going to want to use a new Q-tip every time you do a swipe, or else you're going to end up rubbing the black all over, and you don't want that. Alright, so once you're done cleaning up your edges, it should look a little something like this.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to take an angle brush and we're going to put it in this black right here and we're going to follow it. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this black eyeliner again and we're going to connect this to our upper eyelid. So you should have a look that looks something like this. What we're gonna do is take our mascara and just do the bottom lashes right now. What we're going to do now is put our false eyelashes on, and I will post another video on how to do that, but I just haven't got there yet, so you will have to wait for that. While I'm waiting for my false eyelashes to dry, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and go just on my cheeks and get rid of all the extra sparkle if there is any. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use the No Makeup palette. We're gonna use that pink, just a little bit too. This shit is like insane. Dab just a little bit on each cheek and rub that off. And then rub these in. Because we want a really like pink cheek because it's going to look like we've been out in the cold, which is kind of the look we're going for. But I'm just putting it directly on my cheekbone. I'm not really rubbing it in anywhere else. Can't really see it. You'll be able to see it in the pictures, I'm sure. Right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take some neutral. Put that on our lips. Rub that in. Then we're going to take a fluffy brush and then whatever powder you use to set your foundation. And just go over your lips to set them a little bit. And then I'm going to use this really pink lipstick. So now I'm going to apply mascara because my eyelashes are finally dry. And this is the finished look, so I hope you enjoyed it, hope you learned something, and I will be posting more videos soon. Thanks for watching.
Shoulders down, legs out, bend over, hips out, back, show fire, lift them up, don't touch. I got a proposition if you want.